Yes, good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic derivatives. In derivatives our subtopic is Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem, it is a function defined on closed interval AB such that fx is continuous in closed interval AB. Here it is markable that this interval is continuous in closed interval AB and fx is differentiable in open interval AB. Means differentiable need not be at the end point. It may be, no, may not be. And fa is equal to fb. At the end point, functions are equal. fa equal to fb. Then there will be at least one value of c in the open interval AB such that f dash x is equal to 0. What does it mean? It means that it has a geometrical meaning. If a function f satisfies these conditions, then there is a tangent which is parallel to x-axis. There may be more than one tangent. For example, this is in point A and this is in point B. In this figure, second figure, you see that fa equal to fb. There are 2 points at which tangents are parallel to x-axis. Means at least one point is there compulsory, maybe more than one point. So this is the geometrical meaning of Rolle's theorem. There is another theorem, that is Lagrange's mean value theorem. It is called LMD in short form. Here the same condition, the only difference is if a function defined on closed interval AB and continuous in closed interval AB, differentiable in open interval AB, then there will be at least one point, more than one point may be such that f dash c is equal to fb minus fa by b minus a. It has also geometrical significance. Here, what is the difference between Rolle's and Lagrange's mean value theorem? Here, tangent is parallel to x-axis. Here, tangent is parallel to the chords. So, this is basic difference between Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. Tangent at mean value theorem is parallel to the chord joining the end point. So, it can be more clear if we take one example on each of the following. So first we take about Rolle's theorem. There I want to write a question on Rolle's theorem, that is fx is equal to, fx is a function which is defined as x square minus 2x, x square plus 2x minus 8. It is defined in x belongs to minus 4 and 2. So we have to check about the Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem, fx is a polynomial function. Fx is a polynomial function. It is polynomial function. Fx is polynomial function, so it is continuous in 4 and 2 and it is differentiable. Obvious, f dash x is equal to 2x plus 2, so it is differentiable. Then both conditions are held. The third condition is fa equal to fb. So check here, fa means f minus 4, that is equal to minus 4 square plus 2 into minus 4 plus minus 8. This is equal to 16 minus 8 minus 8 and that is equal to 0. Similarly, we can check F2. F2 is equal to 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 8, that is 4 plus 4, 8 minus 8, and this is equal to 0. So all the three conditions of Rawls theorems are verified. Then there must exist a point f dash c where f dash c is equal to 0. So here we find f dash c is equal to 0. F dash c is equal to 0 we can find out in this way. So f dash c is 0 where c lies between -4 and 2. So f dash c means f dash is 2x plus 2 and this is equal to 0, and this implies x is equal to -1. Obviously -1 lies between -4 and 2. -1 belongs to -4 and 2. That means Rawls theorem is verified. Rawls theorem is verified. Again I explain it. I have taken a function. This function is differentiable and it is polynomial function, so it is continuous. Fa and Fb are equal, then there exists a point in the open interval such that f dash c is equal to 0. That means 2x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to -1. And here -1 belongs to -4 and 2, so Rawls theorem is verified. Next is our Lagrange's mean value theorem. I take another example for Lagrange's mean value theorem. That is, say we take another example for this theorem that will give the brief idea of Lagrange's mean value theorem. Lagrange's mean value theorem, for example, fx is equal to, for Lagrange's mean value theorem, fx is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3. X belongs to 1 and 4. We have to verify the Lagrange's mean value theorem. So we can check that fx is continuous. Fx is continuous in 1 and 4. Fx is continuous in 1 and 4 as it is a polynomial function. As it is polynomial. And fx is differentiable, so f dash x is equal to 2x minus 4. F dash x is differentiable, so this is differentiable in open interval 1 and 4. Then there will be at least one point such that f dash c is equal to fb minus fa by b minus a. So f dash c is equal to fb. fb means f4 minus fa means f1 by b minus 1 means 4 minus 1. Now calculate the value of f4. So f4 is equal to 4 square minus 4 into 4 minus 3, and f1 is 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 3 divided by 4 minus 1, and we get it 1. That means f dash c is 2c minus 4. So 2c minus 4 is equal to 1 and c is equal to 5 by 2. Obviously, this verifies Lagrange's mean value theorem as 5 by 2 belongs to 1 and 4. Hence we can say that Lagrange's mean value theorem is verified. Thank you.